The ethos for our restaurants, especially for Seed, is all about seasonality. Use it when it's in season. Don't really try and use it when it's not in season.
When people come to Poppy and Seed, I want them to walk away feeling happy, full, comfortable. He takes great care in what he provides on the plate as far as like plating and then just thinking about how he uses the product.
I grew up in Southern California in a small town called Oxnard, which is part of Ventura County. It is known for strawberries, produce. It's by the ocean, but lots of farmland. And that kind of always little sparks of why I wanted a restaurant like Poppy and Seed, because it has the greenhouse feel. It has the ability to grow garnishes that are unique for the dishes that we create here.
We work with local farms. Sustainability is really important to us, so we make sure that we're getting the freshest ingredients, that we're working with small-owned, farmed, and family-owned vendors, so that way we know where the money is going. Also, what's very important to us is our people culture too. So what makes it special is the people, because sometimes you want to go where everybody knows your name. You make it special, baby. You do. And me.